Next we are going to see about the super finishing upgrading process. The first process is buffing. In buffing we are producing a luster surface. Burnishing is we are producing hardness of the work surface affect the awning by varying the rate of the stock removal. In burnishing we are producing 0.75 mm to 1.25 mm. So we are going to compare the lapping, awning and the super finishing process. Both lapping and awning can be done at low speed abrasive is used. In lapping 0.005 to 0.01 mm can be achieved. In awning 0.002 to 3 mm can be achieved. In lapping we can produce geometrical true surface, sizing and finishing a small dia hole can be achieved. In awning, finishing internal round holes, correct the waviness of axis, non-parallelism of cylindrical features can be achieved in awning. In super finishing, produce extreme high quality surface finish and not dimensional. In lapping, process of removing surface roughness, tool mark, surface crack from grinding, minor defect from previous operation. In awning, the process of removing stock from the metallic and non-metallic surface, changing the location of the hole. Lapping is used for flat surface, cylindrical surface, spherical surface. This awning can be used for finishing internal drilled or bored holes to correct the irregularities. Super finishing used for internal or external cylindrical surface and flat surface. We are seeing the difference between lapping and awning and super finishing. In lapping we are using loose dust type abrasives. In awning we are using bonded abrasive sticks. It may be like this. So we are having periphery and along the periphery we are having bonded abrasive sticks. In super finishing we are using bonded abrasive stones. Here mesh size is 120 to 1200. In awning 80 to 600. Super finishing 400 to 600. It is used for only hard material lapping, and it is used for both soft and hard material awning. It is used for both hard and soft material. So we have to remember lapping can be used only for hard materials. Metal removal is 0.025 mm, 0.75 mm, here 0.005 mm. Both workpiece and lap are in motion, both the workpiece and tool in motion. On is rotating where workpiece are stationary. In awning, on is rotating, workpiece is stationary. Both workpiece and abrasive stone are in motion. Here pressure is given 0.7 to 30 kg per meter square. In awning 7 to 30 kg per meter square. Here 0.21 to 3 kg per meter square. Awning can be done in slow speed, large contact area. It can be applied for glass, aluminum, carbide. Awning non-ferrous, we are using the silicon carbide abrasive. We are having comparison of grinding and awning and super finishing here. Based on the speed of the abrasive tool, in grinding 2000 to 5000 rpm is used. Awning is low speed 15 to 30 mpm. It is super finishing 10 to 40 mpm. And abrasive grit is 40 to 500 ms, here 120 to 600 ms and 400 to 1000 ms. Stock removal is 0.1 to 0.5 mm on dia, and here 0.1 to 0.8 mm. In super finishing it is very less, 0.005 to 0.025. And surface roughness is 0.1 to 1.6 microns, here 0.1 to 0.8 microns. Here very less, surface roughness 0.025 to 0.20 microns. Tolerance is, it is 3 times 0.002 to 0.06 mm. 0.0025 mm or less does not affect the geometric tolerance super finishing. Thermal effect of the workpiece is change in structure take place due to the heating and quenching. A heat generation is very small, no thermal effect on the structure will be produced.
MPM